So we have some assignments that we've already created by using our features that we collected. Suppose you don't have these. Suppose you just didn't have flow lines for the area that you're searching. You didn't have any trails either. All you've got is this picture map at the bottom. You've just got a basic topo map. We can use the built-in drawing tools in Arc, and we've actually got one as well that was created for us specifically for building searches, which is a construct with buffer tool that's extremely useful to use. So let's zoom in a little on the area that we want to search. So here's a stream here or a drainage that we might want to build an assignment along. Now, earlier I was using the set selectable layers option so that I wouldn't select inadvertently different features. When you go to create things, I would just suggest you turn these back on. It can be a gotcha in the middle of the night that you forgot to reselect them, and you can't select an assignment, you can't select a clue, or you can't select something on the screen because you haven't set all these to back on. So just to start with, check it and hit select all. Now anything that we have here will be selectable. As always, anytime you create data, you need to start an editing session. So let's start editor. And we'll look at our create features templates. So we could create any of these features right now. Right now we're focusing on assignments. So let's click the assignment. And these are the construction tools which we can use on a polygon. We'll start with the construct with buffer tool because I find it the most useful and easy to use tool. Again, it was created specifically for MapSAR and it's been very, very useful. So move off, I can now start drawing. What I'm going to do is just hold the mouse, draw along this drainage, release the mouse, and it's just drawn a buffered segment for me. Very, very easy to do. We've got this little drainage right here that we might want to send a team down. Click the mouse, drag along there. I've just created another assignment. Now, if I need to change the width of this assignment, press the D key on the keyboard for buffer distance. So you can see the default is set at 25. If we want to make that larger, we can just change that value to 50, hit enter. And now for the next one that I draw, you can see I've got a big, wider buffer on it. Press D again. It'll always reset back to 25 between each feature. So I want a smaller one. I can run a team along this one right here. And I've got a smaller one. Other tools we can use are freehand tools, and we've got autocomplete tools. Much like the segments and drawing our segments, we can use the autocomplete freehand tool. If I wanted an assignment that butts right up against this assignment, I can click within the feature. You must start within the feature. I'm just click the mouse and I'm just drawing a shape. And if I come back and then within the feature again and click the mouse, it will now create another assignment perfectly laid up against the first assignment. Very, very useful tool to use. A couple other tools in here. A circle might be useful for when you first find a PLS and you're sending someone out there to cut sign. So you could just take, let's just move the map a little. So again, assignment circle. So just suppose this was a PLS and you wanted a circle around it. So that's a crew cutting for sign around the circle. Then you can easily create your other assignments that you want to using the construct with buffer, etc. So do take some time and just play with these. You don't need a map even turned on. You can do this on a white screen. Remember, this topo map is just a picture on the bottom. There's no real data associated with it. So it gives you the freedom and flexibility to create assignments any way you need to create them and manage them within your search.